Yo guys, I welcome you to my channel AIpedia, and today we'll be going to explore a tool called PINKIO, where we can just download and download AI models in our local computer and run it so well. So let's get into the laptop screen. So yeah, so you can download first of all PINKIO from the website called PINKIO. Okay, so we just search this website and you can see the website here. Okay, now you can see install, run and control bots on your computer with one click. Yeah, it really takes one click to do. You can see the YouTube video from here and see this. All these AI models you can run on your local computer, means no need for cloud computing or risk your privacy to someone else's hands. Okay, you can see there are many models, AI models are there, like this image generation, audio generation, all of above. So yeah, how we can install it? So first of all you have to install this from, okay guys, so you can install this software from this download button. As you click here on download, you can choose this Windows, Mac or Intel, Mac, Linux as according to your computer needs. So I had this software here, so yeah, so I don't want to download it again. So this is window, yeah, so you can download and set up it, just so easy steps. So when we are entering this software, we are going to home right now, say discover. Okay, so this is kind of a web browser which let you run the AI models on your local computer. So it will be really fast, efficient and thus very convenient for you. So yeah, so now see, if you know a Git repository, so if you know AI models, any Git repository, you can paste the link here and just download the software in one click. You don't have to do that pip bash or pip install this that. No need to do all that. So see this, there are this different kind of AI models are there. So we are going to select one of the model from here. Where's that? Wait, let me check. Okay, I guess this one is right. Okay, so we are going with audio LDM2. Okay, so click on, now just click on download. Now this software will automatically load all the files, packages, all for needed for the model to be downloaded in your PC computer. So as we click on install, it will automatically just doing all the stuff. You just have to use the software. Yeah, so as you can see here, this software automatically runs the commands like install y, ffmg, all the commands which needed to install that AI model in your computer locally. Yeah, so guys, I'm back and see here, we are ready with this software, and it took me probably 5 minutes to do this, install the software. Okay, now I click on done, and now I'm going to just start the software. Let's try this AI model. Oh god, I guess some processes are left to start the software. Let's wait for this. Guys, sorry to interrupt, but I have to stop this software right now because it is taking my 8.15 GB, which I don't even have right now. And because I resides in village and there's no geo fiber or broadband connections are available here, so I have to stop this video till here. And if you just understand the whole process, how to do this, how to do that, so it will just really help me that I can able to explain to you to how to install and run things. So I'm now clicking on stop. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like below and subscribe me for more AI stuff. Thank you for watching.